bokeh? My hair in bokeh? Oh hey, it's me, Olive, your comment queen, and welcome back to my channel. So today marks Friday the 13th. Let's get a little spooky today and do a little Friday the 13th inspired makeup tutorial. Yeah? Yeah! Today this look is very like mask for mascara, if you will. We're doing like a Jason mask that's like cracked or whatever. Like he was getting in a fight and he's about to rock the runway right after and do a reveal for you. Like y'all ain't ready for this. So today I thought we'd get a little dark, a little spooky. But before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more drag fun. Alright, I'm gonna go shave my face and glue these brows down off camera to save some time, and I will be right back. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have my brows glued down, my face shaved. Now let's get into this look. So this is inspired by Friday the 13th. First, I'm going to take a liner and map out this mask. Now I'm going to add a jagged side to make it look like it's cracked. Next, I mix together a white foundation with a little bit of a yellow concealer just to create the mask, and I'm going to bounce that just in the center of the face just to create like an off-white color because Jason's mask is off-white. And for those of you who don't know, this look is inspired by Jason Voorhees. He is the main villain of the Friday the 13th horror franchise. Actually, his mother was the original killer of the first movie. Little fun fact for you. Doing white face again. And after you set the foundation with the powder, it might alter the color slightly. In the end, it won't really matter. If you want, you can totally add white shadow to the look just to brighten that up a little bit. Next, I can start sketching out the holes in the mask. And off camera, I also added the red accents to the mask just after I filled in the black dots with the black eyeshadow. Alright, I'm gonna go fill these in with some black eyeshadow and clean them up off camera to save some time, and I will be right back. Alright y'all, and I'm back. As you can see, I filled in those dots with the black eyeshadow, and I filled in the eyeball with the black eyeshadow as well, just to save some time. And next we can start filling in the rest of the face. First, I'm gonna start off with a foundation and fill in the perimeter of the mask, and then fill in this eye gap. And once again, obviously, this look is inspired by Friday the 13th, as if it wasn't obvious. Same. And now I'm blending out that foundation. Just so growing up, I was actually such a big like horror fan, but I feel like that's like, the case with like most homosexuals and stuff, because you know, life is already like heightened enough, so like in film, we need the stakes to go even higher. And also like, life is scary enough. It's gonna take something more than just like a little ghost to scare us. Oh, and little fun fact, Friday the 13th occurs in any month that begins on a Sunday. Alright, and you can quickly set that with some translucent powder. Next, I'm taking a little bronzer on the glam side, and I am filling in the high points of the face. Even though it's Friday the 13th, I'm still trying to look cute.
Time is it in 12 minutes?
Bam, 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 bam. Now on a dense brush, I am further contouring my face, just on the glam side. I'm bringing that contour shade lower than I had the bronzer shade. Next, I'm taking a little blush and I'm adding that to the glam side. Now I'm baking right under that contour just to clean it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna sketch out this eyebrow. Ooh, this is the one I wanted to grab. It's fine.
It'd have been cute if you had a black contact.
Right now, I was like, oh, well, my brown eye's gonna have to do.
You hear that, America?
To die for. You get it? Now I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with a white, just to bring it forward and highlight it. Anyway, so now let's get into this eye look. So for this eye look today, I thought keep it simple, keep it cute, move it along. So we're just gonna do like some warm tones in the crease, call it a day, throw a lash on, live it, love it. Let's do it. First, I'm taking a burnt orange shade and I am blending that in the crease. So do we know why Friday the 13th is like so unlucky?
Yes.
Why is it?
Something to do with my 13.
Yes, it has to do with the 13th inch.
My.
Yours specifically, yes. Above that orange shade, I'm taking a yellow shade just to blur everything and blend that out. And now I'm mapping out the liner. I am taking a burgundy shade just to deepen everything up a little bit. Quite the scandal, really. Were you ever a fan of the Friday the 13th films?
No, I had protective parents.
You had taste, okay. I mean, I wasn't the biggest fan of the Friday the 13th series. I was more of a fan of the Nightmare on Elm Street series. That's what kind of like horror films I was into. They were a little campier and just, you know, they were a good time. He would always like, you know, read whoever he was about to kill. Although he was like a child, like, you know, we won't get into that. It's too dark. Watch the film. Now I'm taking a burgundy shade and I am placing that deeper in the crease just to create more depth. And right below that, I am taking a black eyeshadow just to map out where I'm cutting the crease. Then next I cut the crease. I took a white eyeshadow and set that crease, and then I started putting glitter because, you know, when you think of Jason, the opposite is like glitter, and that's what I wanted to go for with the glam side. And then I did the liner.
I feel like we should be moving this trial to those prices far away from the Sagittarius trial.
Thank you. And then just on the outer corner, I added a little bit of orange just to add more of that warmth. Just to Ariana Grande off of that. In case you guys forgot what day it is today, I thought I'd remind you. You're welcome. And now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking a little bit of black liner and I'm extending that inner corner, and then white liner to extend my inner corner as well. And then now I'm taking a white liner and I'm opening up my eye. Time to smoke out the lower lash line. And I'm taking the same colors as I did from the top and I'm just placing them on the bottom. Just in reverse. Oh, you know what's fun to do on like Friday the 13th? Getting tattoos. Oh, they always have deals and stuff. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have this eye all complete. I added a lash. I completed the lower lash line. Sorry, the camera cut out. Listen, she's been doing this for a little bit, so sorry about that. So we can start doing the finishing touches to this look. So next I'm going to outline the mask. I already lined around it with some black. And now I'm gonna take some shadow. I'm gonna use my contour shade and shade around it to make the mask feel like it's like popping out at you, like I'm actually wearing a mask. All right, and I'm just going to do that just around where I place the liner, giving you some dimension. We love dimension. I mean, without that, like, this would not be looking like a cheek right here. Now I'm using a little bit of contour shades and some gray eyeshadow just to create more depth. And you see how just like adding that shadow makes that like mask look like it's popping out at you. Oh, we love makeup. Shut your tiny mouth. So yeah, Friday the 13th is like a superstitious like thing. Why? Because the like number 13 is like an unlucky number. Oh, Jason could never. Alright, so now that I have that all outlined outside of the mask, I am shading in the holes that I put in the mask with some gray eyeshadow just to create more depth inside the mask. And then right on top of that, I'm gonna place some white liner just to add a little like pop and highlight to the mask and make it feel even more realistic. Because listen, I want you to feel like Jason's like ready to like grab you, but like with consent, you know, as one does. So I lined everything with the white liner to make everything pop and make this mask really feel like a mask. Oh, the look is, listen, she's almost there. I'm gonna do some finishing touches and then we're all finished. So I'm going to deepen up the contours a little bit, just because I feel like we lost it a little bit. Y'all didn't know I could do spooky dookie, did ya?
Spooky dookie.
Boo. Now I'm taking a little bit of the Physicians Formula bronzer and I am warming up the face, trying not to touch the mask part. Now I'm taking a little bit of liquid lipstick and I am creating blood splatter with it. I'm taking a stippling brush and I am just tapping it with the red lipstick just to create blood splatter. And this is the finished look, y'all. This Friday the 13th makeup look is all finished. How do we feel about it? I feel like I look so spooky, so scary. I look like I kind of just, ooh, delivered a baby. We'll go with that. Very that. Jason Voorhees could never. His mother could never. Like, listen, she thinks she can like, you know, start a film franchise by like murdering people just because they murdered her child. Like, she has nothing on this look. Actually, no, this is the mom, this is Jason, right? No, actually, once again, she could never, her old ass. So, how many of you are fans of Friday the 13th? Are you guys superstitious? Are you guys like afraid to go under ladders, break windows, or mirrors? A little stitious? Not super. She's ministitious. She's ministitious. Ministitious. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Ellen Cox for more drag fun. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video,